everyone, it's Tom Gentile. Good morning. It is Friday the 13th of February 2015, and I am just going to show you how to place a contingent order here. This is something that I do as far as exiting. So take a look here. This is my smaller account, and I've had a pretty good week this week. One of the trades that's still open, I've got some longer term ones going on down here, but one of the trades I have still open today, which actually expires today, is one I placed earlier in the week on Apple. This is a 118 call. Apple was trading right now close to 127. So this particular call option, which I ended up paying $375 for, is worth $9. All right, so I did a few of those, and they've had a really good result. I actually had some Priceline put spreads that I sold to help generate the income to pay for this trade. So I actually had one of these rob Peter to pay Paul trades on. That I took off yesterday. That went all the way down to 10 cents, and so I exited that trade and took the majority of the credit that I brought in earlier in the week. Anyway, so I'm looking at Apple. I've got a trade on here. And I'm concerned. I want to get out of this at 10, and I've got a limit order in at 10, but I'm thinking about replacing that with an order just in the event that we go up to a 128 by today. So I'm looking at 128 as my my potential. All right. So to change this around a little bit, I want to put on what's called a contingent order. So let me go to trades first, and let me just double check and see what I got going on in my order status. So my order status looks like this. I've got an order to get out at 10, all right? So I'm actually going to change this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify this order. And actually, you know what? I don't even want to modify it. I want to cancel the order. I want to cancel the order completely and just start over again. So let me get rid of that order real quick. Just tell it that I want to cancel, and I'm going to cancel yes. And so now, let's go place another trade. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back to my positions, and I'm going to pick up that Apple trade that we see here. And all I want to do is I want to click on the word trade. That way it actually closes up what I have opened. So it's showing me I'm going to sell to close my call options. I've got it at the market, but I really only want to do this at the market if I have a contingency in place. So my contingency is going to look like this. I'm going to scroll down a little bit here so you can see this. Now, close it at the market, but only if Apple is greater than 127.99. So it's got to hit 128. And I want to do that between now and 3:30. Because if it doesn't happen by 3:30, then I got to think about other exit strategies for the last half hour of the day. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to preview this order. And it's going to tell me basically that I'm looking to close this, but only if Apple is greater than 127.99 between now and 3:30. Now, once I've done that, I'm just going to go ahead and place this order, sell to close these calls. And now it's in place, and now I'm ready to start the trading day with opportunities that I want to look at because I've got the opportunities already in place. I've got them ready to close out if something were to happen between now and 3:30. Hope you guys can join me on my live trade session today at 3 o'clock. All right, you should check your email out. Otherwise, I did put this up as an open session today, and you can find it on my Facebook, my LinkedIn, or my Twitter sites. And to find those, just go to www.tomgentile.com. I'll see you this afternoon.